इंटरेस्टिंग तो 10 का, रीजनिंग 10 का, रीजनिंग 10 का, डिसिपल 12 का, ICT 12 का, फिक्स 6 का। ठीक है। TADF क्या है? टेक्नोलॉजिकल एक्विजिशन एंड डेवलपमेंट फंड। टेक्निकल टेक्सटाइल कॉन्सेप्ट हाई डेंसिटी फाइबर विच आर लाइटेस्ट एंड टफेस्ट फैब्रिक मेनली यूज्ड इन ऑटोमोबाइल एंड एरोस्पेस इंडस्ट्री। ठीक है। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मेजर सस्टेनेबल इनकम लेवल दैट कैन बी सिक्योर्ड विदाउट डिक्रीजिंग द स्टॉक ऑफ द नेशनल एसेट ग्रीन अकाउंट। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिसोर्स एलोकेशन एज पर सेरेमनी डेवलपमेंट प्लान। क्या होता है? स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डोमेस्टिक डिमांड। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेशो इज रिफर्ड टू एज एवरीथिंग दैट हैज बीन यूज्ड इन द पास्ट एंड द होल इनकम। ये कहा जाएगा एवरेज कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो। ठीक है। Which one of the following method of planning is an attempt to work out the implication of the development effort in terms of factor allocation and factor product yield as to maximize income and deployment? Take of the physical planning. Which of the following reflects and traces or true value of factor of products? D. Shadow price. Which one of the following control policies that leaves new freedom to private enterprises to buy, build machinery, raw material from country of its choice? Because the imports control. Which one of the following is a particular pharmacology price fixing behavior by which farm coordinate their bids on procurement of project bid rigging? Which one of the following is an example of horizontal practice of farm exclusive territory? 10 years ago, father was 12 times as old as his son, and after 10 years, father will be 2 times older than his son. The present age of the father and son are क्या हो जाएगा तुमको? D मतलब 34 या 12 years. If a number of friends decided to go on picnic and plan to spend 96 on a table, 4 of them it did not turn up at the consumption. The remaining one has to contribute 4 extra people. Number of those people who attended the picnic is कितना हो जाएगा? 8. Consider the following gold articles. PQRST will be P weighs twice as much as Q. Q weighs 4.5 times as much as R. R weighs half as much as S, and S weighs half as much as T. T weighs less than P but more than R. आर्टिकल T will be higher than S. किसका हो जाएगा? देखो अल्टरनेटिव हायर का P और Q हो जाएगा. Rectangle ABCD with D 1/3 DC in the figure. When the area of the figure AD is 20, the area of the rectangle ABCD कितना 120 centimeter square. 4 metal rods of length 78 cm are to be cut into parts of equal. Each part must be as long as possible. The maximum number of pieces that can be cut will be कितना हो जाएगा? 36. And the number of the man walks 3 km east, then 5 km northeast, then 8 km towards south, finally 5 km towards northeast. The distance of the present location from the starting point क्या हो जाएगा तुमको? 11 km हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब अगला देखिए, अगला क्या है तुमको? The clock strikes once at 1 AM, twice at 2 AM, and thrice at 3 AM. So on. The number of times it strikes in 24 hours will be कितना हो जाएगा? 156. The sum of the all natural number from 1 to 100 with a division of 5 क्या हो जाएगा तुमको? 1050. In a group of 1,000 people, 750 speak English, 400 speak English. The number of only English speaking people कितना है तुमको? 600. Consider the following student in an examination. A मतलब A score more than B, C score as much as D, E score more than D, B score C, F score more than 45, C score lowest. बताइए E find the absolute maximum value of this on a triangular plate in the first point bounded by lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and y equal to 996. F x y equal to 2 plus 2x plus 2y x square minus y square. तो यहाँ बाउंड्री हो गया 1 पे निकाल के मैक्सिमम ये हो जाएगा मिनिमम वैल्यू 1 का 4 होता है. Absolute maximum 4, absolute minimum minus 4. For the matrix A, the expression is B. देखो A minus lambda B आंसर तो हो जाएगा देखो A plus lambda B. और यह हैमिल्टन इक्वेशन लगाएंगे, यहाँ से आ जाएगा. The sum of the equation 1 plus y square d, so 10 inverse y minus dx dy dx by dy तो दिस हो गया. और फॉर्मूला ये होगा px plus 1 q 1 मास फॉर्मूला इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर यूज करेंगे. ये हो जाएगा 10 y into this. The value of lambda 10 a 1 minus ax 1 minus b square 1 minus c square 1 minus dx क्या आ जाएगा? a b c d 10 factorial. If u is equal to log e x4 plus y4 upon x plus y, the value of x du by dx y du by dy नहीं होगा. u is equal to log is e is equal to b होगा. n is equal to 4 minus 1 3 होगा. यहाँ से होगा इधर से नहीं. जनरल वैल्यू ऑफ log 1 plus i plus log 1 minus y क्या आ जाएगा तुमको? log 2 plus 2 n pi i हो जाएगा. A bag containing 4 white and 2 black balls and another bag containing 3 of each color. A bag is selected random and on ball on the positive white one कितना जाएगा? 1 12 हो जाएगा. देखिए x is continuous random function with probability density function given by f is equal to kx or 2x to y फॉर्मूला का तो 1/8 हो जाएगा. The first moment about origin of binomial distribution क्या था? NP हो जाएगा. For the relation function y equal to 0.516x plus 0 or y x equal to this, mean of x plus 1 कितना आ जाएगा तुमको 6.6 और it is 6.1. The rectangular perpendicular curve traced out by a point moving in such a way that the product of its distance from two fixed lines at right angle to each other. ये constant है तो उसका fixed point कौन कौन से होंगे, asymptotic होंगे. The line passes through the focus and perpendicular to the vertex is called, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, axis बोलते हैं. अब dimension of the series may be placed in any of the following ways except क्या होगा, proportional dimension के अलावा. Among the following aspect of design specification, cost to the following the most significant that influences the probability of in the product. Large solution, which are the following is not the best approach for the prevention of product liability. कौन सा होगा, D cost. Which one is the following not the estimate or not the way of estimation the statistical parameter and is integral part of the analysis or synthesis task when probability of failure is involved. Progression rate. In order to limit the acceleration of emergency control should be provided with which one is the following determining factor. We call the speed factor in location of emergency stop, speed and ease of the operation. The human engineering approach is followed to prevent accident by giving due consideration to physical and mental limitation of the work. By कैसा होता है, giving constant attention to how a worker is likely to react rather than how supervisor would like him to react. Fortunately, not an operator either through trigger leading to an accident which confusion and traps into making mistake. या standard operating procedure ये गड़बड़ होता है, होगा होल्ड टाइम का सही बात, हुआ हाउसिंग सही बात है, अगले फिंगर. The following is included is not included in the safety program for achieving good results during the prevention of accidents. The concept of senior compression and microbial the local safety promotion during evacuation. The following show the quality product. A product design development, marketing and development of packaging नहीं होगा, सेल नहीं होगा. Which one the following is then sub areas of quality control. Offline statistical process acceptance sampling होगा, sale and market share. Which the following are 14 step plan for quality improvement. 1 to 4 ad hoc committee for the zero defect program. Cost of quality evaluation और सुपरवाइजर ट्रेनिंग होगा, क्वालिटी मेजरमेंट नहीं होगा. एंड एवरेज आउटगोइंग क्वालिटी ए की जाओ जो उनको डी पी डी मतलब पी ए पी एन माइनस एन अपॉन एन. खुद यदि फॉलोइंग द मेजर सर्विस क्वालिटी डेट क्वालिटी ह्यूमन फैक्टर एंड बिहेवियर कैपेसिटी ऑफ सर्विस क्वालिटी नंबर ऑफ कम्प्लीमेंट्री रिस्पॉन्स बेस्ड ऑन ह्यूमन रेट इन डिलीवरी ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स. खुद यदि फॉलोइंग फैक्टर इफेक्ट करते क्वालिटी परफॉर्मेंस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. 1/4 साइट कंस्ट्रक्शन मेथोडोलॉजी और सुपरविजन कंट्रोल. Which of the following conditions are important during inspection of work in previous concrete? A. Stitching are threaded properly, including correct threading of couplers and tapping of joints. सही बात है. Only approved stitching and edges, strands, anchor heads and wedges are to be used. Splicing of reinforcement to be right at the joint. ये हो गया. ठीक है. अब देखो the standard deviation in the sampling size in case of concrete construction during management. ये क्या होता है D. Root under x minus s का whole square n minus 1. Which of the following variation to increase part production? D. Piece to piece variation, time to variation, और तीसरा within piece variation. Which of the following is the objective attribute chart in production process control? B. To evaluate the quality performance of operating and management process. Which one of the following reason is characterized by sensitive ecosystem, enhanced ecosystem, occurrence of extreme weather and natural catastrophe. कौन सा है? अवांतर reason हो गया. Which of the following is iterative and evolution process for achieving sustainable development? एक और integrated coastal waste management. Which of the following for river basin water management resource planning? River 1 to 3 soil conservation in catchment for of river valley projects and natural सही बात है. Soil and land use survey or control of supply deforestation नहीं होगा. According to Stokes the rate of settling of the velocity particle depend on the terminal settling velocity. which क्या होगा GDQ upon 18 mu Roman 1 plus 2 से GP minus T3. The sound level L log 10 Q upon Q net bells. Which one of the following hygiene way of disposing solid waste and is more suitable if the waste contain more hazardous material and organic material? Incineration. NEPA क्या होता है? National Environment Policy Act. Which one of the following gases is colorless with a strong odor, irritates mucous membrane at common level, can cause cough, fighting and interference with lung function at hair concentration? या ओजोन है. Basal convention ये क्या होता है? B. Industrial gas to control basal मतलब vessel control the transboundary movement of hazardous waste between different वो हो गया. Which of the following are suggested for reducing NOx emissions from the stationary source? ये क्या हो गया? By reducing the peak temperature. और तीसरा क्या है? By maintaining ability of auto for reaction during the assessment of economic viability of the project. The ratio of average annual earning after tax to the average investment after depreciation. ये क्या बोलते हैं? Return on investment ROI. Who is responsible for the following activities in a project? ये क्या था? Project coordinator. प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर मतलब प्रोजेक्ट का काम है अचीविंग यूनिटी ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट एक्टिविटी, हैविंग एन अथॉरिटी टू कंट्रोल द प्रोजेक्ट मैटर एंड डिस्बर्स फंड फ्रॉम द बजट, हैविंग नो एक्चुअल लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल अथॉरिटी ऑफ वर्क, द क्रिएटिव टेक्निक अप्लाइड व्हेन द अवेलेबल एंड रिक्वायर्ड इनपुट एज वेल एज डिजायर्ड आउटपुट आर लिस्टेड इन द एट्रीब्यूट लिस्टेड, द मार्केट price per share of the company's Rs 125, dividend per share DPS expected area is Rs 12 and DPS expected to grow at a constant rate of 8% per annum. The cost of quantity equity capital to the company will be कितना होगा 17.6. Which one of the following risk can be reduced by investigating in project or acquiring other firms that have a negative correlation with the earning of the firm. ये कौन सा होता है? portfolio risk. Invest an individual investor who invest in e-project during usually during an early stage को क्या बोलते हैं? Angel investor. If the normal rate of interest 12% compounded quarterly, the effective rate of interest per annum will be nearly कितना 12.6 होगा 12.6%. अब ये देखो, if the bank deposit can be made for a period ranging 6 months to 10 months, every quarter an interest will be levied on the principal. The rate of interest applied is 9% per annum for a period of 12 months to 23 months, and 10% per annum for period from 24 months to 124. The amount of 1,000 invested for 2 years to grow will nearly कितना बनेगा 1218. A company has issued 20 million worth of non-convertible debenture, each at a face value of 100% and rate of government. Each debenture is at a premium of 5% after 5 years. The net value amount realized 95% tax eligible. The cost per debenture कितना होगा D 8.2%. RBI हो गया. साइबरनेटिक कंट्रोल सिस्टम डेट एक्चुअली रेडियो फॉर स्टैंडर्ड्स को क्या बोलते हैं? नेगेटिव फीडबैक लूप बोलते हैं. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड द बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन इज बाय फ्री मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन एन एरो पॉजिटिव मैनर मेटालिक बॉन्ड. If the pair of one cation one and is missing in another, such as the results are equal to and then the second pair of second side is also short key the third option. Which one is following characteristic of covalent compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are mostly gas and liquid. They are usually electric insulator. They are directional in nature. They are insoluble in polar solvent like water, but are soluble in polar solvent. ठीक है. The photoelectric current depends on which of the following factors? B. Frequency of the incident light, intensity of the incident lamp, the potential difference between electrodes. ये तीन हो गया. Potential डिपेंड नहीं करता है. Which one of the following is correct regarding ductile fatigue? Fracture takes place after making with little sound. Which of the following are affecting critical shear stress? And the purity of metal reduces the critical stress, rise in temperature, rate of deformation, and the extent of initial deformation also help in raising the critical shear stress. If they want to follow that, which one of the following types of metal is having high remanence, coercivity, and saturation flux density as well as low conductivity and high resistance energy loss? Hard magnetic metal. Polymers having strong primary bond throughout, often formed by condensation polymers, and their structure resembles are one largely molecular known as thermosetting polymer. An FET is a semiconductor device with an output current controlled by an electric field, and its current is called predominantly by one type of carrier. It is known as MOSFET बोलते हैं. Which one of the following is the trading of polycarbonates? ये क्या बोलते हैं? इसको बायलोन बोलते हैं. Which one of the following is not a creative commons license which users can choose to apply when publishing their work? Copyright infringement नहीं होगा. मुझे attribution से like not clear होगा. The Ethernet designed by EIEE to complete with a LAN process protocols which can transmit data 10 times faster at a rate of 100 Mbps. क्या बोलते हैं? फास्ट में. IEEE standard protocol which defines the wireless personal area operator in a room. So क्या होता है? Bluetooth बोलते हैं. Which one of the following point is a private switching station that connects to the national internet service provider network and operates at a high data rate of 600 Mbps. क्या होता है? तुमको peering point बोलते हैं इसको. Which one of the following the nodal department to implementing public interest internet access program and rural internet connectivity by converting its office as multi-service center? ये कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट पोस्ट हो गया? Which one of the following not the vision area of digital India as a program to transform India into digitally empowered society and knowledge economy? ये का free wifi access हो गया. Infrastructure aspect provided by the government of India, information of national e-governance plan for storage of data and hosting application, network connectivity and capacity building. क्या होता है ये मतलब हो गया तुमको SDC, SWAN और NISC. SWAN and which of the following is not a texture good governance and e-governance data closely linkable and dependent on each other? Consciousness नहीं होगा. Which of the following is not the skill needed in workplace in the future for inventive in thinking using information and communication technology in education? B. Responsibility हो गया. The pedagogy which involves production learning and finding new solution to problem where manipulation of existing information and creation of real world problem are possible with ECTs को क्या बोलते हैं? Creative prototype. The basic difference between professional and mature ये क्या तो कोई है? A professional is someone who is connected with a job that needs special training or skill, while an mature is someone who works multi-tasking without any specialization. ठीक है? ओके, समझ में आ गया. यूथेनेसिया मतलब क्या, किलिंग ऑफ टर्मिनली सफरिंग एक्यूटली विद नो रोक होप ऑफ सर्वाइवल. यूटिलिटेरियन मतलब क्या, जजमेंट ऑफ एन एक्शन बाय द कंस्टिट्यूशन by the consequence of other that action. In the process, it is the degree of safety proposed to be attained with cost of risk, design and utility. The basic ethical process of beneficence state that all our thoughts and actions must be acted to ensure that other benefits from these action and action. ये हो गया. So the following is the information of WTO. WTO का main function क्या होता है? D. To organize meeting of member to arrive at trade agreement covering items to ensure that the member countries conduct trade practices as per agreement agreed upon and signed upon by the member community, to provide a platform to negotiate and settle dispute related to international trade between and movement of countries. जो हो गया. If the project influence is more than in decision making for the project, then encouragement is considered a strong matrix. If functional partners seem to be influencing decision making, the arrangement is considered weak matrix. ये हो गया. The raw material are taken as trade item and their values at domestic and world are estimated. ठीक है, ये सही है. Raw material whose have a high value to volume ratio and involves performance of the hydrogen costs are important and regard non-trading गड़बड़ है. अभी देखो, information communication technology can facilitate improved service delivery and more efficient internal operations. सही बात है. ACT can create more information for the marginalized and vulnerable society and that do not represent panacea for all development. सही बात है. Long term sustainability of e-governance project does not depend on financial viability, especially if they are to be implemented in the public-private partnership model. Front end and services are possible without back to in operation. सही बात है.